Car glass cleaners ensure clear visibility, remove dirt and streaks, enhance driving safety, and maintain a polished, professional vehicle appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car glass cleaners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Windex Automotive Car Window and Glass Cleaner. The Windex Window Cleaner by SC Johnson is a reliable and efficient solution for keeping glass surfaces spotless. Designed for convenience, this spray bottle delivers a fine mist that evenly covers windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Its powerful formula effectively removes dirt, fingerprints, and smudges without leaving streaks behind, ensuring a crystal clear finish every time. With its strong reputation in the cleaning category and high ranking among automotive cleaners, this product stands out for both performance and trustworthiness. The easy-to-use spray mechanism allows for precise application, reducing waste and improving efficiency during use. Whether you're cleaning car windows or household glass, Windex proves to be a dependable choice. Its consistent results and user-friendly design make it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain a polished, professional look with minimal effort. Now our second product is Invisible Glass Cleaner Spray for Car. Invisible Glass Cleaner delivers exactly what its name promises, a crystal clear, streak-free finish every time. Its clear dry formula stands out by leaving absolutely zero residue, with no soaps, scents, or dyes to interfere with visibility. This makes it especially ideal for drivers who want perfectly clean windshields without distracting streaks. The ammonia-free composition is a major plus, ensuring it's safe for both tinted and non-tinted glass. Whether you're cleaning your car, truck, boat, or even household windows and mirrors, it handles tough grime like grease, fingerprints, bugs, and pet slobber with ease. The 22-ounce trigger spray bottle is practical and user-friendly, allowing you to apply just the right amount without waste. It's designed to reach every last drop, adding to its overall value. Proudly made in the USA, this cleaner combines quality, performance, and convenience, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a powerful, residue-free glass cleaning solution. Our third product is Hope's Perfect Glass Automotive Glass Cleaner. Hope's Glass Cleaner is a dependable choice for anyone looking to maintain spotless, streak-free glass surfaces. Backed by a trusted manufacturer, this product reflects the brand's commitment to quality and consistent performance. Whether used on windows, mirrors, or other glass surfaces, it works efficiently to remove everyday dirt, smudges, and fingerprints. Its presence in the glass cleaner category rankings highlights its growing popularity among users who value reliability and ease of use. The formula is designed to deliver a clear, polished finish without leaving behind unwanted residue, making it suitable for both home and light professional use. With a straightforward design and trusted brand reputation, Hope's Glass Cleaner offers a practical solution for routine cleaning tasks. It's a solid pick for those who want an effective product that gets the job done without unnecessary complexity, helping keep glass surfaces looking clean and refreshed with minimal effort. Now number 4, Shine Armor Car Wax Spray and Glass Cleaner. Fortify Quick Coat stands out as a powerful all-in-one solution for anyone looking to achieve a showroom quality finish with minimal effort. This premium ceramic coating spray delivers a deep, mirror-like gloss while forming a slick protective layer that repels water, dust, and road grime. Made in the USA, it reflects a strong commitment to quality and performance. One of its biggest advantages is the rapid 15-minute bonding time, allowing users to seal in shine and protection without long waiting periods. Its waterless wash capability is equally impressive, lifting light dirt safely while enhancing the vehicle's finish, eliminating the need for traditional washing tools. Application is simple, just spray and wipe, much like a wax, to reveal an instant high-gloss shine. Beyond aesthetics, the nano-ceramic formula bonds to the paint, providing months of durable, hydrophobic protection against UV rays, stains, and contaminants. Overall, Fortify Quick Coat is a versatile, time-saving detailer that combines cleaning, sealing, and shining into one easy step, making it ideal for both beginners and car enthusiasts. And our last choice is Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner Spray is a high-performing solution designed to deliver exceptional clarity and a streak-free finish. Known for its strong reputation in automotive care, Meguiar's once again provides a reliable product that meets the needs of both casual users and detailing enthusiasts. This glass cleaner is formulated to quickly remove tough contaminants such as road grime, fingerprints, and film buildup, leaving windows crystal clear for improved visibility and a polished look. The spray application is smooth and efficient, allowing for even coverage and easy wipe-off without leaving residue behind. Its solid ranking among automotive glass care products reflects its consistent performance and customer satisfaction. The 473 ml bottle offers a practical size for regular use, whether at home or in the garage. Overall, Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner is a dependable choice for anyone seeking professional-level results. It combines ease of use, effective cleaning power, and trusted brand quality into one convenient product. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.